As you'll see here, the advanced light had ended for oncoming traffic to turn safely, and I had the green to proceed. But that didn't stop this aggressive driver from cutting across, forcing me to brake and avoid an accident.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Jesus. Stupid ass. Jesus.
This time, another driver making a left turn across traffic clearly didn't see me or care that I was coming.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Jeez.
This woman exited the parking lot and drove directly into the wrong lane, cutting me off and forcing me to pass her on the right.
Why don't you just pull up in front of me?
Time for a few red light runners before we get back to the rest of the stupidity.
That's a red light you're going through, buddy. Oh, not even a close one. Oh, easy there, Rosebush. Jesus. The cop right there. Oh, that wasn't even close. That was an impressive red light.
I can almost guarantee that this driver was on their phone while driving and clearly distracted.
Keep it on the road. Keep it on the road. Where are you going? Holy jeez, well, he's going to drive right off.
I saw this guy in the oncoming truck had his turn signal on, but my defensive driving prevented me from assuming he was actually going to turn.
Oh, fuck, he had a signal on. Jesus.
This three-way stop is notorious for drivers refusing to actually stop.
I stopped. Fuck me.
The lady driving this car is a prime example of how accidents can happen when she stops to let an oncoming van turn.
What the fuck are we doing?
Don't be like this woman.
What'd you stop for? Holy fuck, learn to drive. There's not a crosswalk. You had the right of way.
Although it is legal to pass on a solid yellow line in Ontario if it's deemed safe to do so, it's not legal to pass while going over a train crossing.
You're gonna pass on the tracks? He is gonna pass on the tracks. Unreal.
And finally, another example of why you should always be watching the road. It saved this young raccoon.